Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today we're in Athens. Just kidding, we're in Nashville. We are at a life-size replica of the Parthenon. Unfortunately, it's closed, but look at this beauty. So like I said, we're at the Parthenon, and this was built in 1897 as a replica to classical architecture. It has a life-size Athena statue inside of the life-size Parthenon. This actually is on the list of National Registry of Buildings, and this is actually home to Nashville's Art Museum. So as you can tell, the sun is setting. We plan to come here when they completely reopen this park so that we can come see what it actually has to offer.
And share a little bit more with you.
But why we actually made this video is to show you what Nashville hot chicken is. So let's go.
Which Nashville is really known for the hot chicken.
Yep.
So let's go. Alright, we have arrived at Prince's Hot Chicken. I can't say. Prince's Hot Chicken. I got my drink here. This place is known for creating the hot chicken. This place is really known. It's always popping and it's super full all the time. So we wanted to try it. We're waiting on the food because it's supposed to be like 45 minutes before we get our food supposedly. So Melanie's going to give you a little bit of a history of this place.
Okay, so this place was actually started by Thornton Prince, and he basically loved to go out at night, especially like during the Great Depression and like the World War II area and the World War II era. And so he was kind of known as like a womanizer. He'd go out really late, he'd come home with like perfume scents on him and like lipstick stains. So his girlfriend at the time knew this, and so she wanted to get revenge on him, and one of his favorite dishes was fried chicken. So what she did was she whipped up some fried chicken in the morning, and she put as many spices as she could to make it as hot as she could, and she served it to him, and to her surprise, he actually liked it. He asked for a second plate. So it didn't go exactly as planned, but it is how this dish was originated, and Thornton Prince then made that dish what it is today in Nashville. And so Prince's is where it originated, but there's tons of different places all over Nashville and the South that sell hot chicken, and we thought we just had to come to the place where it originated because, you know, it's the best you're gonna get. So there's different levels of heat. They're going from plain mild, medium, hot, extra hot, and extra extra hot. And we've heard that the hot is basically like habanero level, and Paul is not really big into heat, so he got the plain. But I decided to at least give it a try, and I got the mild. So we're not doing too much heat tonight, but we are still gonna get some level of heat in our dish, and I'm super excited. Okay, so the restaurant is closing in 5 minutes, so we felt kind of bad. So we got it to go. We're heading to our apartment, which is also 5 minutes away, and we're gonna eat it there. Alright, we are back at the apartment. We have our food out here. We have Paulo's plain tenders, his fries, and then my mild leg quarter. Look at this. Like, this already has a lot of spices on it. That's what that dark part is. I can already tell it's still gonna be spicy.
Mine seems a little spicy there too, but I don't think it is spicy.
Okay.
Fries are good. Liking the fries.
It's like a nice flavor. I tried the medium at Hattie B's. That was our first time trying hot chicken. And it was like too spicy for me. But this is like the perfect amount of spice. I'd say if you don't want like super spicy, but you want like a little bit, I'd go with the mild because it's really good. Yeah, if you want to die, you get the medium or above. It was really hard to eat.
If you like plain, this is a good tender too. It's a little bit rough. It's a little bit hard, but it does taste pretty good, and I like it. We're gonna continue eating, and we'll give you the final review once we finish.
Thoughts. The mild had a lot of good flavor to it, but I felt like with the chicken, the breast, I felt that it could actually use some more spices. Like I wish they had like a side that you could like dip your chicken into the spices, because I felt like it could need more. I'm in between like a mild and a medium because the mild could use some more spices. Like the flavor was perfect, but they just needed like more of that on the chicken. But like the medium, I felt like it was really hard to eat. I felt like I was gonna get like a stomach ulcer or something because it was so hot. So I don't know. I feel like we need like a medium between the mild and the medium. But I mean, otherwise it was really good. The chicken was really crispy. I've never understood all of the hot chicken places. They put bread underneath your chicken.
Even on the normal.
So it's just like two soggy pieces of bread.
Yeah, they're kind of.
What were your thoughts, babe?
As for me, I feel like the tenders were a little bit hard. It kind of hurt taking a bite every now and then. There were some really crunchy pieces, and I don't know. I don't like crunchy pieces. I like soft and juicy and all that stuff. I like soft and juicy, and I don't know. I just like that kind of taste. I don't know if it was just these or if that's actually how they are, but it was like dry. As for the fries, they have seasoning on them.
Ooh, that one looks good.
Which like seasoning. I like seasoned fries. So I feel like I would give this a 6 out of 10.
I would give it probably a 7 out of 10. I just had chicken. But like I said, if it had more like spices within, it would be higher up, but that's our review. See you in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Subscribe. No, but please like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate it, and we appreciate your support for this channel. And we'll see you in the next video.